Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cartoon cat. It's a very specific character. Uh, Pretty cool looking. Pretty cool looking. But yeah, let's get started. Don't forget, before we start, I'm going to be using this, a Crayola brand marker, and regular printing paper. Halloween's around the corner, so let's kind of jump into this. Before that, though, hit the like button if you like the subject matter, if you like the Halloween stuff coming back. And also, press that subscribe. I'm going to be posting almost every day until Halloween. It's a seasonal channel, so let's get started. Okay, cartoon cat. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do a U shape for the eye. He's got a really big eye. Like that for one eye. It's like just obviously an arc or a gravestone shape. I'm gonna go over here and do the other one, like so. Right on. I'm gonna draw a line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here, and I'm gonna just draw the same line over again, the same curve. Like that on this side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm trying to give that like a thickness to it. Ooh, snap, that's a little thin. See, if anything, I should have made that a little bigger because we're going to fill it in. It's really going to stand out, but oh well. I'm going to go over here for the nose, and he has more or less a heart-shaped nose. So curve from one side, curve on the other, then curve below. I'm going to have a smiley right here, so I'm going to just draw a curved line over here. Right on. Do a curve shape down here for the bottom of the smile. Right on. Gonna draw. Whew, excuse me. I get a little tired. Sorry about that. I'm gonna draw the part in the teeth. So I'm just gonna draw the middle here, the part in the teeth here. I'm going to draw the gum line. So essentially the gums are coming down like so. So I'm gonna draw kind of curves like this, and that's gonna be the gums essentially, right? Down here, same thing. Just kind of freestyling those gums. And now I'm going to start connecting lines here for the actual teeth. Try to fix them because sometimes they're a little misaligned, but you can kind of always cheat them there. It's a cool character though. I like the whole lore. Line over here. Right on. I'm gonna go over here to the outside of the face, and I'm gonna draw a line out here for the cheekbone. Line out here for the cheekbone. Then a curve over here along the side of the head. Over here along the side of the head. Out for the ear. A little out for the ear, not too far, and it's gonna pull down. Pull down. Curve over here. So I'm going to draw a triangle on the inside of one of the cat ears, like here, like so, and like so. And then lastly, I'm going to draw a curved line right here, more or less following that smile, like so. Okay, now comes the part I was dreading. I think I'm gonna have to fill this whole thing with marker. I was debating on it. Normally I don't do it. I normally just kind of I don't know. Normally I'm just like fill it in with crayon, but I think this character's so dark I need to do it. So I got a new marker here. So I'm gonna fill this in, this whole area that it intersects right here. Hopefully you're doing great. Hopefully you have, I'll talk to you while I'm doing this. Hopefully you have Halloween plans, or maybe plans for kind of your outfit for Halloween. I am pretty excited about it. I'm supposed to dress like Marty from Back to the Future. I haven't bought the outfit yet though. I really need to buy that outfit. I was gonna buy like a cheap version of the outfit and then slowly, if I can, replace parts of it with better stuff. So that was kind of my whole idea. Hopefully I can still do that. So a lot of this is I'm trying to fill in parts. Doesn't matter what direction I go in, as long as it's all kind of moist around the same time. And if it's moist, I gotta be careful though, because if I just, if I mess up, I could just screw up the whole thing right there. So I have to be very, careful enough at least. Do I recommend you do this? I only recommend you do this. I mean, I shouldn't have drawn it so big. That probably was like a bad idea. But I do recommend that you do this if you have a fresh marker and if you're drawing it at a small scale, because this is, a lot of the life out of my marker here. I want to do more stuff for Halloween. Hopefully I get a chance to do that. I'm really I have kind of these little ambitious ideas for the Halloween videos, so hopefully it works. Alrighty, just continuing to fill this parts of the cat in. Don't forget to hit the like if you do like tutorials every day, or if you like this one. Hit that like. The like tends to give me it gives the video more exposure and stuff like that. It helps the algorithm out, and also just lets me know what you want more of, so I can put more of it. So definitely let me know about that. Right on. Oh man, I'm only like halfway through this. Hopefully it's looking pretty nice. So hopefully it's worth it. Alright, oops. Gotta watch out because the ink is kind of fresh. I can put my hand into it. Oh man, please give me a thumbs up, guys. This is really, that was a lot of marker. I don't know if I've ever done that for a video. Like, use this much of my marker in one video. That's pretty crazy. Also, let me know what you're going to do for Halloween. Is there any other Halloween characters you want me to put on my list to do? I will absolutely try to make them happen. Whew. Thank you so much. That is the end of the video. I will talk to you in the next video. Reach out to me. I'm very reachable. And yeah, let's party. So talk to you later. That was Cartoon Cat. Cat call, whatever. Cat. Thank you. See ya.